today we will see relations and functions. A relation in mathematics are used to describe a connection between the elements of two sets. They help to map the elements of one set to elements of another set, such that the resulting ordered pairs are of the form input and output. A function in mathematics is a special relationship among the inputs, that is the domain, and their outputs known as the codomain, where each input has exactly one output and the output can be traced back to its input. Difference between relations and function. A relation is defined as a relationship between two or more sets of values, or it can also be referred as a subset of Cartesian product. A function is preferred as a relation in which for each input there is only one output. For relation R is used as a symbol, and for function F is used as a symbol. Note, you can see that every relation is not a function, but it can be said that every function in mathematics is a relation. Types of relation. Reflexive. If ordered pair A, A belongs to R for every A belongs to A. Symmetric. If ordered pair A, B belongs to R implies that ordered pair B, A belongs to R for all A and B belongs to A. Transitive. If ordered pair A, B and ordered pair B, C belongs to R implies that ordered pair A, C belongs to R for all A, B belongs to A. Types of functions. One-to-one function, or also known as injective function. It is defined as if the image of distinct element of x under fair distinct, that is for every x1 and x2 belongs to x. F of x1 is equals to f of x2 implies that x1 is equal to x2, otherwise f is called many to one. Onto, or also known as surjection, it is defined as if every element of y is the image of some element of x under f, that is for every y belongs to y there exists an element x in x such that f of y is equals to y. Onto, or also known as surjection, it is defined as if every element of y is the image of some element of x under f, that is for every y belongs to y there exists an element x in x such that f of x is equals to y. Representation of relations. A relation can be represented in the following ways. Ordered pairs. A set of ordered pairs x, y represent a relation. Matrix. A matrix can be used to represent a relation. Digraph. Directed graph can also be used to depict a relation. Relation of functions. There are four ways to representation of functions. There are four ways to represent functions. Verbal representation, describing the function using words or language. Algebraic representation, expressing the function using equation or formulas. Tabular representation, organizing the input and output value in a table format. Graphical representation, plotting the function on a coordinate table. Everyday applications of relations and functions. Money as a function of time. You never have more than one amount of money at any time, because you can always add everything to give one total amount. By understanding how your money changes over time, you can plan to spend your money sensibly. Businesses find it very useful to plot the graph of their money over time so that they can see when they are spending too much. Temperature as a function of various factors. Temperature is a very complicated function because it has so many inputs, including the time of day, the season, the amount of clouds in the sky, the strength of the wind where you are, and many more. But the important thing is that there is only one temperature output when you measure it in a specific place. Location as a function of time. You can never be in two places at same time. If you were to plot the graph of where two people are as a function of time, the place where the lines cross means that the two people meet each other at that time. This idea is used in logistics, an area of mathematics that tries to plan where people and items are for businesses. Thank you.